I feel really disconnected from the universe. Disconnected from my higher self, my angels, and my spirit guides. I'm struggling to receive their messages. Or maybe they're not sending me any messages. Because I feel like my crown chakra is blocked. And that is so frustrating. That makes me feel alone. I want to tap into infinite wisdom, but I don't know where to start. Is it possible for me to connect to the universe? Even though I'm having all of these doubts, I love, accept, and forgive myself. And I'm learning to open myself up to receive guidance from the universe. Because I don't have to be perfect to receive signs from the universe. The universe loves me unconditionally. I release any blockages in my crown chakra. It's safe to receive guidance from the universe. I release any fears I'm holding on to that is blocking me from connecting with my spirit team. I am ready to connect with my higher self. I'm open to their guidance and support. And I trust and acknowledge my spirit team.